Today is setup day for the 6th annual micro drone race at the National Museum of the United States Air Force. And this is a really cool event because it brings us into the halls of so many cool relics of flight. We're able to kind of push the next generation we get to inspire at this event. 64 pilots is a lot to run a race. It's the second largest micro drone race in the world. So this drone right here has a little camera on it, and the camera is basically exactly what we see in the goggles. So from the perspective of the drone, it's called first person view or FPV drones. And these are cool because it feels like you're sitting in the cockpit of the drone, which is super awesome. And it gives you that feeling of flying when you're sitting with your feet on the ground. It's at the corner of education. It is at the corner of friendship and fellowship. And it's really cool because I know a lot of people that got into flying drones just with one of these little ones, and now they're working a full-time job doing aerial photography or working a full-time job as like a camera person or anything like that. And in agriculture, there's so many careers in the military as well with drones, and this is such a great stepping stone to get into that. There's truly no other micro drone race on the planet like this race because there's so many spectators. I believe one of the years it was over 10,000 over the entire weekend of spectators that came through the halls here at the museum. And the best part is that this pilot pit area is on 3 sides. It's just an open area to all the spectators walking by. And we have pilots that fly drones just out in the open area and like to entertain the spectators, or there are spectators that the pilots let them use their goggles. We see a lot of pilots just like Blue Jay and their entire family coming out to support, and family members getting involved.